everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Conscious Wallet, and I am going to be elaborating a little bit more. I've been using it for quite some time now, and I'm going to give you my honest feedback and how I think this wallet is. So if you guys are interested to hear what I have to say, then keep on watching. So I did a video on how you can use a cash system for beginners, and I did mention that I was starting to use this particular wallet. I did an unboxing and that video kind of took off and I was surprised. So I did promise you guys that to give a true feedback, I would have to try this out for quite some time in order to tell you guys what my thoughts are on it. So that's what this video is all about. Like I said, I have been using it since I posted that video, and I honestly, off the top of my head, I don't remember when that was, but I'll put the date right here on the screen. And that's the amount of time that I have been using this wallet. And it comes with a ton of envelopes, and I did share that on that prior video. So these are a few that I am not using because it doesn't apply to me and my cash budgeting, and that is this transportation envelope, this one right here that's like for, I don't know, travel, I don't know what that could be used for. This one I'm assuming is for entertainment, and then also this one right here, which is the fitness. These are the 4 envelopes that I am not currently using that came with this wallet. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the table how I have this set up, how I've been using it, and what my thoughts are on it. All right, so this is the Conscious Wallet, and this is how everything looks. This is how I have mine currently set up, and these are the envelopes that I use from Conscious Wallet. So as you can see here, I have like random like cards. I have my giving envelope that actually needs to be taken out, but it's nice that these envelopes, these laminated envelopes, if you do have them, they do fit really nicely, and I keep mine in this back pocket instead of the front one. So the front one, I usually will have my cards. So I have like my Target card, other debit cards that I have, and then you have your little change. So right now I have some change that I actually need to put in my little box, because this is where I put all of my coin. It goes in here. So let me just empty this out right now since I have to do that. Okay. Being a cash spender, you tend to have a whole lot of change. So I have that set up that way here, and I have my little annual pass that I'm no longer a pass holder, but I still have it here. And these are the envelopes that I am currently using. So I have this one set up as my date night envelope, and this is how I use the little tracker. So I've only used the trackers just one sheet so far. Conscious Wallet does give you like some more trackers in case you need them. So this one, I have it set up as eating out. And then this blue one with the bread and the cereal bowl, I have set up as my grocery. And this is the one that's the most used tracker. So I still have only used one sheet there. This is my home fund. So anything for cleaning products, just anything for the home, I put it in here. When I first unboxed this Conscious Wallet, I said that I was not going to be using this medical envelope. However, a lot of things have changed for me, and I now have to have co-pays, so I do use this as my medical envelope. And then we have our pet, so this is used quite often as well. This one with the shoes and the clothes, I have as my spending envelope, so I have that. And then this lovely blue envelope where I didn't know what the arrows were. One person told me that this could be like for Target, So because I heard that, I figured I will use this as my toiletries. I don't have a Target near me, so I can't really shop at Target, even though I love Target. I really wish that where I'm at, they will build a Target. How many of you wish that there's a Target near you? Or you may be an extreme where you shop at Target too much and you wish that you lived a little farther away. But somebody told me that this looked like Target sign, so I have this set up as my toiletries, but I know that this could be pretty much for anything. Travel was one. It could be for savings, whatever you can think of. But I have this set up as my toiletries envelope, and it works for me. So this has a pocket, and I have something personal in here, so I won't be sharing that, but this has a pocket in here, so in case you have to like put something in here, you can. So I have like stamps in here. Let me put it back in there. And then I have my pen. I need to get a smaller pen because this one is kind of shaped, it's curved, so I need one that's straight. So like this one, it doesn't have, like I could put that one, but it'll like slide through, so I can't use those. So I'm just gonna stick with this one for right now, but I am gonna share a couple of things about this wallet. One of them being, I love it. It has really been helpful having it in this like closed wallet system. I enjoy it because I know like money isn't gonna fall out of it or anything like that. Not that the other envelopes that I used that it did that, but I just like the binding system of this. The one thing about these type of envelopes that I must say is that because it is vertical instead of the horizontal opening, sometimes it gets a little tough like putting the bills inside of it. But once you have it like opened and you've used it quite a bit, it is easier to go ahead and like stuff your envelopes that way. So that's just one thing that you have to get accustomed to if you are used to, like I was, the horizontal opening for the envelopes. This one is a vertical one, so you do have to get used to that, and sometimes that can be a downside, but I enjoy it. These are pretty durable envelopes, and I really like the fact that I'm able to do this. And I like everything being organized, so it makes me feel put together. And yeah, I really, really like the quality. It has not, like I heard people leaving reviews that this has like broken on them. It has not, obviously, but I am very gentle and I take care of the stuff that I have. So if you're gentle with your things, then this can last you for quite some time. So I do think that I will be using this for a while, as long as I take care of it. But this is how I have my Conscious wallet set up, and I love it. So that pretty much covers everything, how I'm using my wallet, what my thoughts are on it. And I really do think that this is a great quality, and I have not had a problem with it. I use it all the time, and I have all of my envelopes very nicely in here, and it's a great way for me to want to use the envelopes. So I want to stuff them, and because it's so cute, it's in this wallet. If it's attractive, you are more likely to use that item. I don't know if it's just me. You can let me know in the comments if you feel the same way. It just needs to look so cute, and it allows me to use it more frequently. So now I have something really, really exciting to share. I have partnered with Conscious Wallet on this video, and they are doing a giveaway for you guys. So there will be one lucky winner for getting this wallet. And I'm so excited because it's been so beneficial for me and my budgeting, and I really want to share that with you guys, and they do as well. And I know you guys will love it. So make sure you click the link in the description box down below, so that way you can enter into win, and you will get the package sent to you directly from Conscious Wallet. So I'm so excited about this. I know you guys will enjoy it as much as I do. Seriously, it is like amazing. I love it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in a brand new video. Bye guys.